When solving equations with like terms, you want to see if you have like terms that you can combine before you do anything else. So I can, because these two are like terms, so I can actually do 8h minus 6h would generate 2h equals 12. At that point, I want to separate the 2 from the h. It's being multiplied. The opposite of multiplication is division. So I am going to divide both sides by 2. And the reason I do that, I want this to go to 1. 1 times h leaves h. And then 12 divided by 2 is 6. And let's go back and we'll plug it in and see what we get. So if I put a 6 in place of this h and a 6 in place of this h, 8 times 6 is 48, minus 6 times 6 is 36, and 8 minus 6 is 2, and 4 minus 3 is 1, and there you get a 12, and you had a 12 over here, so that shows you that it equals. Okay, another problem would be, let's try this one. Negative 6y minus a negative 4y minus 11y plus 16y equals 10. Okay, so here's an example where I want you, when you see these subtraction signs, I want you to do the keep it, change it, change it. So we'll keep this first term, we'll change this to its opposite, and we change what comes next to its opposite. Because I have another one, I'm going to keep this term the way it is. I am going to change this to its opposite and change this 11, which was positive, to its opposite, which is negative. So now we are adding everything, and you can see I'm adding a negative number and a positive number and a negative number and a positive number. You can choose to put them together in this order that they come, or you can look for things that are easy to combine. I could put my two negative numbers together, and I could come up, if I do that, I'm at negative, let's try that one, I'm at negative 17y, plus, then I've got this positive 4 and this positive 16, which gives me 20y. Then I need to put these things together, and I end up getting, is that right? Yeah. And then I end up getting 3y equals 10. And then I need to divide both sides by 3. And so the answer would become y equals 10 thirds.